Hi, everyone. My name is Lori Mahan, and I am a fourth grade resource room teacher in Little Egg Harbor, New Jersey, which is it's I want to say it's a small town, but we are actually pretty big. We have three schools. One's a preschool, one's K to 2, and then there's the 3 to 6 school, which is where I work. It's called Frog Pond Elementary. And right now I have 9 students in a resource room who are working digitally with me, of course, which is not the easiest thing, but we're still in school till June 19th. As far as what I know about hypertext and hypermedia, I know that hypertext is where you link the text to an outside resource. I know how to do that in a Google Doc. I actually, just as part of my teaching, recently researched hyperdocs and created one on measurement for my students. But that's about as much as I know there, and that was my first experience doing that. Hypermedia, I know less about, and I guess that is using an outside form of media, whether it's a movie or something that would enhance understanding that way. Anyway, I'm looking forward to this class and learning more about those terms and those concepts and how they can help enhance learning in my classroom. And I'm looking forward to working with all of you. Thank you for watching.